In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your A6000 Sony camera as a webcam to get more professional looking results while you're doing your live streams and so on. So this is a really cool method because it does not require a CAMLINK. What is up, everybody? I hope you're well. Before we jump into it, please remember to like, subscribe and click the bell to get notified when my new videos go up. Also drop a comment if you have any questions or if you have suggestions of other stuff I should follow up on. So I've decided to do a whole bunch of videos based around the A6000 Sony camera so that I could show you what all you could do with it, because I'm giving one away. And all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and then check out that video from my previous video. It's in one of these corners. Just drop a comment, explain to us what you want, what you would use the camera for, or how would it help you. Okay, straight into the tutorial. Things you're going to need. So we'll start with gear. First thing is the camera, obviously. So the A6000 camera, I'm going to show you both with the kit lens and then with an alternative lens attached to it. You're going to need your laptop or a PC. And then last thing you're going to need a Wi-Fi connection in your house. So you can either use your phone as a hotspot or the Wi-Fi you already have, because the camera and the laptop need to connect to the same network, okay? So the normal method would be with a USB cable or a USB-C cable, but this camera doesn't work like that, so I'll explain to you why. But I figured out how to do it with just the Wi-Fi connection, so it's basically wireless, which is cool. There's just a little bit of a delay. There's also another way to do this where you, not using a camera, you can actually use your phone as a webcam, but I'll use that for another video, so I'll do a whole setup on just that. Today's going to be all focused on the A6000. The last thing you're going to have to do is download two applications for me. The one is Digicam and one is OBS. They're both free. I've put the links in the comments below, so you can just download them and then follow along. Okay. One thing you can do to up the quality of your stream is obviously to get good lighting. If you're just doing it in your regular room, your camera's going to have to push the ISO up to make the brightness of your camera go up, and that's going to generate a lot of noise. And because this is already streaming at a lower resolution, because it's just a preview, you don't want that to happen. Obviously with the CAMLINK, the big plus is that it's a straight through HDMI, which can be 4K or 1080p, and that will be way better. But with this, the more you can increase the quality of your lighting, the better. So you can see I've got a big octabox over here. I'll show you B-roll of it with a Godox SL60 on it, and over here this is just a little lume cube adding some little effect. So lighting is a big plus if you have lighting. Otherwise, I mean, just turn the lights on or put a lamp on or something to just put some more light onto you. I've set the camera up manually to have regular video settings, so it's 1/50, and then the lens will be wide open to 2.8, and if I put the kit lens back on, it's going to be 3.5. Okay, audio wise, to make yourself sound a bit more professional, obviously a lapel mic's nice. If you have a laptop, you'll have to plug the mic into the combo port, and that means you're not going to have audio. So if you don't need to hear yourself, so if you're just doing a stream and you just need to talk, that'll work fine. But if you're going to have to hear someone like on a call, this won't work because you won't be able to hear them back. So then we suggest earphones with like a mic on it, or headphones with a mic on it. Then you can hear and it will sound good. Okay, so that's pretty much all I can say to the camera. The rest of it I can show you on the computer screen. So we're going to jump straight from here to the computer screen, and then I'll show you how to set all of it up and so on. When you see the recording of my face on the computer, that's all straight through the A6000 onto my desktop. So what you're seeing there is what you'll be getting. So I'm just going to move all these lights around and we'll jump straight onto the computer. Show you the setup. So here's the desk. This is the soft box. And I should show you that's the Godox SL60 up there. And then here's the A6000 sitting beautifully, ready to go. So show you everything so we can get some B-roll. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the setup on the camera side of things. So I've set the camera up to 1/50th of a second. It's on 400 ISO right now, 3.5. So this is the kit lens still. Okay, so the only thing you need to do in the camera is make sure that PC remote is set on the USB connection. The other three won't work, so just make sure it's on there. And then the last thing you need to do is you need to go to this Wi-Fi setting here. You need to go to access point. This is where you join your access point, right? So when you find your internet setting, so that's mine, you're just going to go in there, connect your phone, and then you're going to go into this thing that says application list, which I've never used in my life, it's the first time today. You're going to go in here and you're going to open up that thing that says Smart Remote Embedded. This will be something you have to do on the computer as well, and then that'll connect the computer. So that's that on the camera side. So we're going to jump onto the computer right now and then carry on from there. You can see this is OBS, so if you download OBS, this is how it will open. If there's nothing showing here, it's because this is gone. So now there's nothing. So all you do is you add a source, do the display capture. Once you're here, you're going to open up Digicam. Give it a second. Okay, once you're in Digicam, now here's what you got to do. You got to open that app on the camera, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click on your internet connection, and then you see this is this one. That is the camera. I'm connected with Ethernet to my internet. If I connect to here, you'll see it will say no internet, but because I'm connected here, I'll still be okay. So if you want to stream, you got to make sure you're connected with the Ethernet so that your Wi-Fi can be taken up by your camera. Okay, and if you guys were wondering how to stream, use the same app and you use the streaming platform. There are a lot of videos up showing you how to stream to YouTube or to Facebook, so please check that out. I'm purely recording here just to show you guys. Now that you can see we've connected over here, there's no internet but we're connected. You're going to click on this Wi-Fi button. You're going to change this to Sony. You can leave that on auto. You're going to connect. Okay, so we connected now. So now if we click on live view, we should get a preview, and then if I just turn the camera around to me, there you can see the preview now. So I'm wearing headphones just to make this easier. Okay, once you're all connected with the Wi-Fi, what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to minimize it, okay, and then you're going to click live view, and then you see this has got icons here, which is quite annoying. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this button, okay, which makes it full screen, and we're going to minimize it, and now there's no buttons on it, which means we can minimize this, yeah, and then we can resize this window to what we need, which is perfect. And then we're going to open something like Photoshop, depending on what you're streaming, and then you just move this to where you want it, and then Bob's your uncle. I think Bob's your uncle. Okay, so let's say we're editing this photo, and then this all depends on where you're working. So if you need that corner, you can put yourself over here, you can put yourself over here. But as you can see, it just gives you a little bit nicer of a camera, and even though there's Wi-Fi, it's not too bad actually. I thought it would be worse. The only time it looks really bad is if you have it big. So if you're on a call and you're like this, I mean that resolution is really bad, right? So as long as you're using it as a webcam over there, it works like a bomb, I think. What do you guys think about that? Drop it in the comments below. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're just going to, this is the kit lens on the A6000. What we're going to do now is I'm going to swap the lens out for the 20mm 2.8 Tamron lens, and just show you if the background gets a bit more blurry, and we'll see how that looks. Yeah? Okay, so we are back in the program. We're going to reset it. So big screen, small screen, high digicam. Make this a little bit smaller. Okay, and as you can see, I'm out of focus now, which is because of the distance. All you're going to do is just touch the shutter button. Now I'm in focus. So you can see that already looks way better. I didn't even think it was going to look so much better. So this is the 20mm Tamron lens. It actually looks way better, right? I didn't even think it's going to look that much better. So I actually think I must throw on the 35mm 1.8 just to see. Obviously I'm going to have to move the camera a bit back because this is quite close already on 20mm. So I'm going to pull the camera a bit back and then just show you that. As you can see now, it's a bit more out of focus. That's pretty nice, I think, on a crop sensor old camera. And the delay is not too bad. Yeah. Sorry, I'm looking over here. This is where I am, and there's the camera over there. Let's jump to the 35mm 1.8 and see how that looks. Okay, so this is the Sony 35mm 1.8, which now the camera's too far for me to even touch it, but this is what it will look like. It's at 1.8 now, so you can see the background's a bit blurry and so on. So that's pretty nice. So this was just an experiment. Ideally the first one you saw was the kit lens, this one over here, that you get with the camera, but they all work pretty well. So yeah. Okay, so that's the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys want to win this camera even more now, so please go and comment. The comments have been coming in really quickly, so get your comment in, tell us why you want to win it. The more inspiring you are, or the more funny you are, we're going to choose your comments, and then obviously the comment selector is going to choose the rest. If you guys want me to do this exact same thing on a different camera or brand, let me know. I'll try and get one or loan one, and then show you how to set that up as a webcam on a different system or a different whatever. So just let me know in the comments below. Remember, like, subscribe, click the bell, share this if any of your friends or anyone need to do live streams and they have camera gear sitting at home. A lot of us photographers are not using our stuff, so it's a good way for you to do. So I like to do editing live streams, so this works for me. Some people might be doing talks or like discussions and stuff, so this is a great way to look more professional using the gear you already own. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, please follow me. It's Optical Noise. If you want to send me a more direct message, not in the comments, send it to me on Instagram, and I will always respond as helpful as I can be. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Peace. In today's video, we are going to my cheat sheet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do. Man, some good lighting that I did there, Robert.
Can you see my shape?
No, but I can see you.